Hello, welcome to Driven It Tinker Time. I had something planned today, something that I thought to myself was going to be really, really exciting. And it turns out I don't think it is going to be that exciting. But I'll tell you what it is after this. Oh, it's so boring. Brake hoses. I know, see what I mean? Really is quite dull, not exciting. They're not exciting until they burst. And then it gets really exciting when you're behind the wheel. However, could have happened to Barry. I was looking over the brake hoses and yeah, there's not really much to see. However, I did see the tiniest little carbuncle. You don't want carbuncles in your brake hoses because it means that there's a weakness in the wall. Bit like when your aorta splits and you sort of, oh, fucking hell, and you're bleeding internally or something like that. Anyway, so you don't want the walls of your brake hoses to go soft. And I went, oh, so got myself a new one. And I've just gone to replace it. And I didn't film it because I tell you now, piece of piss to replace, as long as you sort of clamp up, stop all the fluid falling out. And yeah, I mean, to replace the brake hose, it can pretty much take as much time as it takes to make a coffee, leave it cool down and drink. They're not long. And I've bled it already. But I was underneath and I suddenly went, are you sure it's the near side rear, Stuart? Because the near side rear looks perfect. And to be honest with you, it did look perfect. I even put the camera underneath the bus and pressed the brake pedal to see whether or not I could see something blowing, you see, giving it away. But, where is it? It's that side. But I tell you now, I've had a look and can't see anything. So I'm going to cut this open and look inside the magic that is a flexible brake hose. Because it really is like, wow, inside. But yeah, I can't find the carbuncle. And I'm like, oh, and I think it could be, because I've managed to pull off some of the rubber, but it is just, so you probably can't see it, it's just that, hang on, I'll make sure you can see it. It is just that there. I will post up a picture of it clearer, but I tell you, I don't know if that is it, if that was the bit that was causing the problem. But there was a problem. I clearly saw it and I pushed my finger and I was like, oh yeah, that wall, not good. But yeah, anyway, checking brake hoses. Let's look at checking brake hoses and what you've got to look for. It's quite important. So what do we look for in our hoses? Right, I'll tell you what you look for in your flexible rubber hoses. You're looking for rust in the metal parts. If there's rust there and it's quite bad, you've got, oh, better replace that. You're looking for splits that usually happen between the rubber hose and the metal part, because that's the bit that really does take a lot of the flexing. Because funny enough, this metal part doesn't really move, but the flexible part does. And then you're just checking down the rest of your line for minor cracks and splits, etc., etc. It's rubber, it won't last forever. Although, to be honest with you, this has lasted 49 years. So yeah, I mean, the replacement one I've put on there, that is, let's be honest, going to outlive me. But that's what you check for. Anyway, I am a bit disappointed because the carbuncle that I saw in this with my own eyes, and I prodded it with my finger and went, ooh, fucked off, disappeared. And I was like, oh. So it wasn't too much, I wasn't too much about replacing it, because I tell you now, I'm away with him in literally a day and a bit. And I went, do I bother replacing it now and then bleeding the brakes out? I just thought, no, I don't know. But no, we are going to. Because to be honest with you, the last time I went away, yeah, we had steering dragging column that went a bit fucked. And I went, oh, I don't want to do that. Anyway, I'm going to cut this open and then I'm going to cut a piece where this carbuncle was. I'm going to look inside. However, this part is the really, really exciting bit, because inside the hose, that's where I was like, I cut one open before and I was like, oh, because you don't expect to see what's in here. Now, when you look into your brake hose, you'll see a tiny, tiny hole. You probably can't even see that. I might have to brighten this up with the software. But you can see a tiny, tiny little hole. And you go, oh, right, okay. So let's bring you down and we're going to cut it open. Here we have our hose. You might actually be able to see that there. It is really, really minuscule. However, cut this open and this is what we find in, oh, God, bloody hell, what we find inside. That's it, look at that. That is it. That is what's inside your hose. Now, you might look in there and you go, hang on, that's not very wide. That's a really, really tight little passage. And it is minuscule, absolute minuscule things like, but it is reinforced. So let's cut a bit off. I've had to take my glasses off because remember I can't see with my glasses on. Now I must actually find out where that carbuncle bit is there, because I don't really want to cut that open. So if we just slice a bit more off, we get, oh look, here we go. So we get into the reinforced part, which is sort of like wire. I'm going to say wire, but it's not wire. It's sort of like, well, it is a bit like string. Really, it's not string. It's made of a fibre material, and of course it's what? Let's see, look at that. See, that's what is inside the brake hose. That is what all this bit is. Let's cut a bit more off that so you can see a bit more. Oh, this is so exciting. It's not, and I think something's just gone down my throat, so I'll probably be dead in a week. So, yeah, that is sort of the reinforcement, you see, of what is there. So you've got this band stuff that sort of keeps it all together. Because otherwise what happens is when you put your foot on the brake pedal, these do have an element of going, ooh. Okay, that's an exaggeration, okay? They don't go, ooh, that much like a fucking balloon. But they do slightly expand, which is why when you get the metal ones, they don't. They give you a firmer pedal. See, this is where you can get sometimes a softer pedal. And you want a harder pedal, you can go for those metal reinforced ones. I've got those on the X19. Do they make a difference? Don't really know. People do say they do. I've never driven an X19 without them, so I can't really tell you. But yeah, that's what happens. So there's slight expansion that happens. But you see, all this string and stuff just holds it together, stops it going bang. However, where the carbuncle is, which I do think was here, so we are going to cut a bit more of that off and cut a bit more down from that, and then we're going to slice. See, I had this all in my head that this was going to be really, really exciting, and I can tell you now, it's really not. I told you it wasn't, so you lot that are still here, well done. And so that there, God, this really is fucking boring. That there is where the carbuncle was. I'm going to post up pictures as well in case this doesn't come out, and that's the inside wall, which doesn't really... Oh, no, look! Look at that! Oh, now, hang on, let's have a look at this bit here. Oh, that has as well. That's... Now, I'm going to cut a bigger piece, because this hose is definitely on the way out. Bear with me, caller, because I've got to slice this now, and I'll probably like to slice my fucking fingers. Oh, that might work. Now, what we had here... Why doesn't... Oh, that's just rubbish. See, probably can't see it. But when I flex it, oh, look, you see? Did you see that? How it just split and just came apart. I did not expect this to happen. I really did not expect that. However, I have just pulled one apart, and now I can't bloody find the bit. Oh, see, here we are. So, I have just done that. Now, I have got this bit here, you see, and I've got lots of the string around it. But look at that. Oh, this is... Okay, it's worth it. I haven't actually done the other side on Barry. I couldn't actually get the part, but that one isn't quite gone on the outside, so I'm all right. But look at that. That has literally just split. Look at that. I haven't... Honestly, I have not done anything to this, but that has literally just given up. As I've pulled that all off, all of the internal rubber has split, has given up. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh, that is... Oh, wow. There I was thinking, oh, this is really, really boring. But actually, for me, this is absolutely, oh, super duper exciting. So, yeah. So, that is what is inside a brake hose. As I said, when I sort of couldn't find the carbuncle, and I was like, yeah, this is going to be really boring. I almost didn't record this. And for the 3 people that watched this, yay, thanks. Yeah, I almost did not record this because I just thought, what's the point? There's nothing to see. I am really glad, actually, that I now sliced it that way and saw all that splitting, because I had not seen that coming. I did not expect that hose inside just to give up. And of course, if that's now giving up, that fluid is now seeping into all that fibrous mesh that sort of holds it together. And so that probably shouldn't get wet. So of course that gets wet, that sort of just starts expanding. And of course the outer rubber, which is only rubber, remember, expands, pop. And yeah, then it all bursts through. And a little carbuncle, like, what was there? I shit you not, there was a carbuncle there, because I was like, oh my God, get one, order it, and ordered it immediately. While I was under there, I had my phone with me, I was like, right, order that immediately. Should have taken a picture of it, really, shouldn't I? Yeah, so if in doubt, replace your brake hoses. Honestly, piece of piss to do on one of these, and really, really simple. I mean, my coffee will now be ready for me to drink, you know. Anyway, there you go, take care. See you soon. Exciting. But to find out how unexciting this is, oh, fucking hell, how your lights are filthy. Yeah, it will go, hey, I've just put dirty fingers over my mouth. Never mind. I'll have a bath later. There we go. I've gone on a rant now. I've gone on a tangent. GoPro, stop recording.